So welcome to this video, everybody. We already started the series talking about Facebook updates. So today's video, I'm going to be quickly touching post engagements. So I'm not going to lie, right? So when I was trying to test this out, I was quite confused because I was trying to create an ad, but it didn't give me the opportunity to, uh, do that. It was once I upload the video, it was, oh my goodness, it will say something like no ads, right? No ads. So I think it did this again, no ads thing for the test campaigns I was trying out. Okay, I forgot to turn this off. I didn't even know that it was running. That's terrible. Okay, so basically what I found to be true, what I found that worked eventually, is every video that you're uploading with post engagement has to be at least 3 minutes long. So I think this is in light to Facebook's new design for the Creator Studio to help um, creators create content that keeps people longer on the platform. Okay, so I think this is good in some reasons. Basically, I've not done all the testing yet, and I'm sure there'll be more information by a lot of people out talking about post engagement. But so far, what I think is useful for is people who are creating content that are related to tutorials, um, related to long sales copy ad. When if the ad is quite long, like the ad is actually talking about the thing you're supposed to probably click a button for, right? So it's like you're just paying for them to see it real time on Facebook, and it's like a post. So um, you still have to follow some guidelines, right? But it's going to be showing on Facebook directly in the video view section and the Facebook feed. So without further ado, let me show you what I'm talking about. This is I clicked on create, and now I'm going to click on engagements. Choose your Facebook page. um, I'm going to find my page here. Alright, and then you have two options: use existing posts or create ad. Okay, so for this tutorial I already uploaded 2 videos, so it doesn't take time for me. If I go to select post now, right, I have this video I just uploaded and others. Right now, the thing is, this video is 5 minutes long, whereas I think a video like this isn't. This video is not 5 minutes long. Okay, so I hope you understand. Now, if I click on create post, which you should if you don't have a video that you have ready, this is how it will display. Okay, just like you're about to post on Facebook. So here you're required to add the video if you have it, or you can even go live. That's amazing. I'm just saying this for the first time. You can pick photo or video, so I'm gonna pick that. It says upload photo or video. Okay, so now the photo or video, you can decide to pick a photograph. A photograph would not have the requirements a video would have. So in this case, if I pick this photograph, I just need to write a title about it. You talk about how awesome the phone is and blah blah blah. Okay, so now I just click on save on publish post, or I just publish. But that's what I'll click on right now. So right off the bat, you can see that the phone is uploaded. So your call to action here is send message. So automatically it's like giving it instruction to send people to your messenger. You can change that. You can change that to learn more, shop now, send WhatsApp message, get a code. Now basically you can decide to choose any one of this, but if you choose anything outside send message and send WhatsApp message, you'll be directing them to your websites, right? And you are required to put in the URL of the website here. It's your landing page or your sales page, however you see it. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at default here, and when you're done with that, all you just need to do is publish. I need to go through. So that's for images. Now for videos, I'll click on create post. So I'll click on upload here. Okay, so here at least 5 minutes long. So the video is quite heavy and I don't want it to upload, so I'll just skip right straight to what's important. Okay, so add tags here. So I want to use these tags with post engagements, right? Very important, because in case people are watching videos that are closely related to any of these, it's easy for you to catch them. So for you guys who sell bags, perfume, hair, it's been very difficult to actually run ads, to people, because you just don't see their interest on Facebook. So coming here to open up tags, you can see hair extensions, right? So if your product's about hair extensions or nails or hacking, DIY, whatever it is, you can come here and pick all these extensions, and I think you can pick as many as you want. I'm not sure how many now. Okay, I think that's all. I've added the maximum number of tags: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I think this helps them show your video to people who are currently watching things or doing things that relates to any of these tags. I think it's quite amazing. Okay, people like artists, like movies, musicians, even churches who want to broadcast their live streams or broadcast their messages, maybe snippets, promote that rather, you can use post engagement. So this is quite new and not everybody's talking about it. Believe me, I've been on the internet, I checked everywhere. As of now, nobody's talking about it now, right? So there's still space in the market to start using these opportunities. People are saying Facebook's restrictions are quite tough, and they are switching to YouTube. As of now, whether you like it or not, yes, YouTube is a good resource. You should learn how to run ads on YouTube. But Facebook still owns the bulk of people who are using social media. So I hope that's helped so far. Okay, and I click on next. So as you can see, it has picked the 3 minutes long video, and this one says add playlist. Don't worry about this, it really doesn't matter. Okay, so once I click publish now, it will go through. Okay, but I already have a video like this, so I'm just going to skip this step. So that's it, guys. Basically it's nothing more to it. Once your video uploads, you could just publish the entire campaign, and then you wait for your results, and that's it. So thank you guys for I think it's still loading because the video is still uploading, and I don't want this video to upload because I've uploaded the video before. Damn, I'll probably refresh this. That's it, guys. See you on the next one.